Carly.
Huh? How you?
Gonna open those M&Ms, girl. Get those M&Ms, girl. Oh, she opened them. Carly.
Come on, Lily, let's go.
Do something funny.
Guess we're not.
Is there some kind of problem?
What's so funny about that?
Yeah, but it's my problem.
Okay, got your eye.
Really?
Sure, you did the
God.
right thing. And that,
Oh, that's Rocky. Make him spaz.
I mean, glowing?
Make his ear spaz.
Well, in that case, maybe there is something you can do.
Bye, Carly. Say bye.
Thanks for finally giving me my picture
Bye.
back.
Oh!